Hi students, welcome once again to another session. We'll be solving questions which will serve as a revision to Form 4 students. And today we'll start with question number 5. If you check examination format, the question number 5 is basically kind of this question. So question 5a, a regular polygon has an exterior angle of 40 degrees. Find the number of sides of regular polygon and sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So going to solution directly, we will use the formula here directly, and the formula is actually sum of exterior angles of any regular polygon is 360. So number of side, you take 360 divided by exterior angle. And for our case, we are looking for number of side. You take 360, you divide it by 40 degrees. Eventually you are getting 9 sides. So number of side of this given polygon is 9, dear students. And part 2, we are supposed to find sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So for this one here, we are going to use the formula, actually sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles, you take 180 multiplied by n minus 2. For this case, you're going to take 180 multiplied by 9 minus 2. It is 18,0 multiplied by 7. Eventually, you'll get 0, 50, 60, 7 plus 5, you get 12. So sum of all interior angle of a 9-sided polygon, dear students, is 1,260, dear students. So this is how we are solving this kind of questions, and now we'll be proceeding to question number 5b. So this was question number 5b. And what is the name of this polygon? Actually, the name of this polygon, dear students, is nanogon. Nanogon. So this is the name of the polygon, having 9 sides, and we have seen that sum of all interior angles will be 1,260. Going to B. So 5b, given that xy is 2 centimeter. So we were given xy 2 centimeter and BC 3 centimeter. And the area of quadrilateral, this area here, dear students, this area here is 10 centimeter square. Calculate the area of triangle AXY. So solution for this question, because we are given that 2 triangles ACB, triangle ACB is similar to triangle AY. So if you take area of triangle ACB over area of triangle AYX, the same as taking a side of this triangle ACB, and for this case I'll be taking BC over side of the triangle AXY. For our case, we will be taking XY and we are going to square it. So if we are going to assume that the area of this triangle AXY is A, so area of triangle ABC will be A plus 10 divided by A equals to BC, which is 3 over 2 square. So we'll be solving for A, and A will be the solution of the equation given dear students. So you have A plus 10 divided by A equals to 9 over 4. So we continue solving. When you cross the multiplication here, what you will be getting is 4 being multiplied by A plus 10 equals to 9A. So you have 4A plus 40 equals to 9A. 40 is 9A minus 4A. For this case, actually, you have 5A equals to 40. Eventually, you get A equals to 40 over 5, which is 8 centimeters square, dear students. So we can conclude that actually area of triangle AXY equals to 8 centimeters square. Yeah, so that is how we were supposed to solve question number 5. If you have any question regarding the way we solved these questions, you can comment in the comment section below so that we can make clarifications on how you can approach these questions easily. So until next time, I wish you all the best in your examination preparations. Peace.